So we need to determine the center and the radius of a circle whose equation is given by x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y minus 24 equals to 0. We will begin with our given equation. We have x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y minus 24 equals to 0. Now, what we'll do, this is the equation given in its general form. So the general form of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here, if we want to find out the coordinate of the center C, so that's simply negative half times coefficient of x, and y coordinate will be negative half times coefficient of y. And the radius is given by square root of negative half coefficient of x whole squared plus negative half coefficient of y whole squared minus c. So that means from this particular equation, we will need few information. So let's first find out the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is going to be positive 6. And then we need the information regarding the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y in this case is negative 8. Now that we have the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, we can find out the center. The center of the circle is going to be, we'll take negative half and multiply it to the coefficient of x. So that's positive 6. And for the y coordinate, we take negative half and multiply it to the coefficient of y, which is negative 8. Solving this gives us the center as negative 3 and positive 4. Now let's find out the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is going to be, so underneath the square root, first we'll have to take the negative or times the coefficient of x. So we have negative half times coefficient of x, that's positive 6 when we are going to square it. Add it to negative half times coefficient of y, which is negative 8, and then we're going to square this value. And from it, we are going to subtract the constant term. So here the constant term c, that's negative 24. So we have to subtract negative 24. So let's find out this value. So this is going to be, so we have square root of, now negative half times 6, that's negative 3. Negative 3 squared gives us positive 9. Then we have negative half times negative 8, that's positive 4. Positive 4 squared, that's 16. And then we have negative of negative 24, so that makes it positive 24. So this value is going to be equals to square root of 49. Now 49 being a perfect square, so our radius is going to be 7 units. So that means the radius of the circle is going to be 7, and the coordinate of the center is going to be negative 3 comma positive